Going live now. Front audio cam recording. Zoom recording. Oh boy, hold on.
YouTube's up.
Thank you. Check, check. There it goes. Why is the audio quality so low over here? Give me 1 second. Let me double check this. Check, test, test, test. Advanced audio settings. Yeah, you're right. Test, test. Background music. Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Facebook is up.
Thank you.
YouTube and Twitch are up.
Thank you. Okay, here comes TikTok. TikTok, you don't stop. There we go. Don't forget, this week is accountability week. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. So, accountability month, I should say. So, I want everybody to be ready for accountability time. I told you we're going to be doing this every single day in the month of November. Not letting any of you anymore get away with not holding yourselves accountable. Because we'll come after you.
Hey, Coach.
I love this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
I don't see ENSC on hot stock picks, and I don't see it on tops either, but it's gotten quite a bit of volume in the last 15, 20 minutes or so. It was last week's hot stock pick.
Thank you. We will definitely check it out. Bruno, if you would, please check it out. EN.
That was actually a previous hot stock.
Yep, yep.
I did say that.
Yep, yep.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Appreciate you guys looking out. Good looking out. You guys are awesome. Yeah. All right, everything should be up. Oh, I'm missing one thing. Hold, please. Here it is.
Coach, I don't know if you heard me. TikTok is up.
TikTok is up. Okay, thank you. All right, there we go. We've got all the chats up. We have 5 different windows for all the chats. Thank you, moderators, for keeping the drive alive, staying interactive with everybody. You guys are awesome. Okay. All right, everything looks good. Welcome, everybody. My name is Chad, aka the Coach. If this is your first time being here, appreciate you. This is American Dream Trading. We trade stocks, options, and futures, and we will train and educate you on how to do the same. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. None of us are financial tax or investment advisors. So please, for all that is holy, make sure you guys are paper trading and simulate trading only while you are training. I want to thank all of my moderators for helping us to keep the wheels on the bus. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Paul at the Beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, Ange, and Aaron. Thank you all so much. Appreciate each one of you, all the support that you guys give, all the extra training for everybody. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force. 8 years now. Love you, buddy. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
Appreciate you. Yes, Kyle, we trade options, stocks, options, and futures here. Thank you. If we get to 300 concurrent viewers or 50,000 likes, we will do a giveaway. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. By the way, again, congratulations to one of our moderators, Nate, on a $200,000 month for October. Way to go, buddy. Nice job. Nate the Great, over 10 million. That is right, 10 million in profits since joining American Dream Trading. Moderators, I know you keep seeing that Chris M open up. If it happens again, escort him right outside for a while. Thank you. All right. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. I know I did. Had to go see some show tunes with the wife and fam. Took the whole family to go see Shucked, which all the songs were by Reba McEntire, which was kind of cool. I guess it's a big, huge Tony Award winning play, Broadway. It was very cool. Everybody had a good time. I hope you guys did too. Everybody relax, a little R&R, because this market's going to be crazy. Let me give you a little insight on the market. Since I have been trading in the stock market for over 30 years, and I've seen a lot of different elections go on during that time. I've traded through every election and over the last 3 decades, pretty much every market condition known to man, with wars, viruses, flu, swine flu, pig flu, bird flu, mad cow disease, SARS, 9/11, bubble, housing markets. I've seen it all. I've traded through it all. So I will try to help us through this election. As you guys know, tomorrow is the last day, which means it'll probably take a week or two, I would imagine, this time for us to get results. So like I was saying this morning, the market is going to have some volatility to it. People do not like the unknown. Doesn't matter one way or the other. People just don't like the unknown. So if I were you, every single day I would trade the trades. Keep your bias completely out of your trades. I cannot stress that enough. I don't care if you think the market's going to go one way or the other. Don't do that. As soon as you start thinking it's going to go one way or the other, you're going to hold when you shouldn't. It's going to go against you, and you're going to hold too long. Trade the trades. Get out when you're supposed to. Collect when you're supposed to. Use all the rules, not some. Because remember, the month of November, the reason we're doing this right now, by the way, in November, is because I want everybody to have a good Christmas. You're not going to have a good Christmas if you guys are not holding yourselves accountable in November leading into, right, Christmas. So, I already told you guys there were a lot of earnings coming up, right? It's going to lead into the big rally in December. I already told you guys how all this looks. I already gave you all the outlook, where we're going and what we're doing. Then you know it's going to cool down January, February. Market always calms back down, right? So these are the hot times. We got an election, right? That's always crazy. I told you for over a year now, it's going to be a hotter market. Election always does that. So here we are on November 4th, 2024. Now, I told you guys Friday, every day this month, I would hold you accountable. The biggest thing is I wanted everybody to go in smaller position sizes, obviously following the rules, right? The smaller position sizes I told you guys are going to be critical. Everybody puts too much weight on throwing a ton of capital on stuff, thinking you're going to get a larger return, when actual reality is you're probably just going to get bigger losses. So I want smaller position sizes, which equates to less risk, which allows you to allow the runners to run longer and get out of the losers faster. Don't change your trading style because you're going in smaller. All the same rules apply. That doesn't mean, oh, well, because I went in smaller, I can allow this to go red longer. That's not how this works. But it will allow you to allow the runners to run. And this is where you will go from A rookie to a professional is when you are allowing the runners to just keep going. When you take the emotions out of the trade. Trade robotically with good sound entries and exits, not being all emotional and crazy and the hair standing up on the back of your neck every damn time you trade. You shouldn't be sweaty, knees weak, right? Your mom's spaghetti, you know what I'm saying. It shouldn't be all that every time you make a trade, right? Should be you made a trade, you got in, you got out. Was it successful? Was it not? That's it. No emotions. This is not the casino. You don't come in here and YOLO GME till forever and lose everything you have. That's not what we do here. Okay? We want to trade the trades. First 30 minutes is going to be extremely volatile and hot. That's from 9:30 to 10. We hold off all questions till after 10 o'clock. We do call outs in the morning just because everything is moving so fast. But I repeat, we are not a call out group. That's for the rookies. I train and educate you on how to be a stock market trader and not a call out chaser. So while we do have a ton of call outs in this room, that's not what we do. You can call things out after you understand how to trade in the stock market. I hope that makes sense. Okay? You guys just blindly jumping into these cheesy groups with a Telegram and all WhatsApp and all this garbage, or it literally says we're a call out group. It's trash. Shut it down. Get out of there. They have no idea what the hell they're doing. Whoosh. Get out. Okay. All right. Accountability time. And then I'm going to go into my products and services. So we're going to do this extremely fast. But I need you guys on point. Did everybody follow all the rules on Friday? You can open your mics. Let me know. Yes or no?
Yes, coach.
I didn't. I'll admit it. I did not.
Okay.
Stupid.
That's all right.
did not.
That's going to be in your journals, right?
I already wrote it. Yep.
Listen, it's okay to not, but we need to make sure that we are not going to do it again. We're all humans, right? And remember, that was the first day I started talking about it. So maybe, your accountability partner, right, wasn't there to hold your hand. Well, I'm here. So listen. So some of you did, some of you didn't. I already know that's where it's going to go. Today will be different. We're going to hound this every single day in November. At the end of November, you are going to look back. Was I a better trader than I was the previous month, year, or decades? We will find out. The proof is in the pudding. If you didn't follow the rules the whole month of November, you'll be exactly where you were before you joined me, right? Which is probably not good. I either get you when you're brand new, you've not been successful, or you've barely found success, right? So we'll see. Now, some of you obviously were successful. We've got people who've made a couple million before they showed up here, and then I helped them to make tens of millions, so that's a different story. But for the most part, you've either hopped around 16 different with these cheesy little call-out groups with the little kids drawing lines all over the place that have no experience at all, or you've been in with some of the bigwigs that don't help you at all, and you just get to watch them trade, and it does nothing for you, right? Or you've gotten alert messages of buy and sell, and you had no idea what the hell you were doing, and then they either disappeared, stole your money, they got sued, or they shut down, or never heard from again, or you didn't know it, nothing happened. And here I want you to learn. So that was the first part of the accountability. You either follow the rules. Second part of the accountability. Did you guys go in with the correct position sizes? Did you go smaller on your position sizes on Friday? Go ahead, open your mics, let me know.
Yes.
One yes, one
No,
no.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes. And then small state, small.
Yes.
Now listen. Now, those of you that found success on Friday, you're probably starting to see you had a direct correlation with smaller position size equaled you went green. Those of you that did not follow the rules and smaller position size, you will probably look at your journal with a direct correlation. You had a red day. Am I right? If you
Yes,
broke the
sir.
rule, yeah. If you
Coach,
broke
you're
the rules-
right. You're
yeah.
right about that.
Right.
So again, if you broke the rules, you went in too large, probably equaled red. Followed the rules, you went in small, you probably equaled green. You see how easy this is? This isn't, you don't have to be a mathematician wizard, right?
So true, Coach.
So every day I'm going to ask you, and you better be writing in it. Don't try to hide in the back of the room, right? I know only like 6 people answered. Don't try to hide in the back of the room, because I swear if I hear I'm suffering in silence, I don't want to hear that. You don't need to suffer in silence. Open your mouth. You're an adult. Because in here, I got to get you out of your comfort zone, right? That's my job as a coach. Get you out of your comfort zone. Get you to make the changes that you might not have made yourself. This is my job. Okay? Am I going to make a lot of money by me hounding on you guys? Absolutely not. If all I did was marketing and lollipops and puppy dogs and showed you all the nice stuff I have and the success, I'd sell a hell of a lot more memberships, but that's not my job. My job is a real coach that I've been doing literally my whole life through either businesses, employees, athletes. My whole life has been coaching. So I will take you out of your comfort zone. I will snatch you up when you need it. I will praise you when you need it. But this is where we're at. So the whole month of November, I want everybody to focus. So I swear today, if you told me that I'm Friday, or you thought it, because only 6 people opened their mouth, if you didn't follow the rules, and you didn't have a smaller position size, which meant you probably were red, you won't do that today. Right?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
Coach.
Yes, Coach.
Good.
Yes, Coach.
Good morning.
Good.
Yes, Coach.
Good. Because remember, thank you. The other thing I talked about on Friday, what do you have to lose? And I'm going to tell you what you have to lose by just follow me for a month. If this is your first time ever, follow me for a month. That's all I ask. You don't have to buy a membership. Follow me when I'm in here for a month. Worst thing you have to lose is less money. Because if you're trading with less, the only thing that could happen is you'll lose less money. That's your risk. So if you were already red every damn day before you got here, I'm telling you to trade with less, which is a less risk. So even if you keep making the mistakes and you keep doing the same stuff, all that's going to happen is you're going to lose less. To me, that's a win, right? If you're constantly having massive red months, how about we have a tiny red month? That is a win in my book. That's less money out of your pocket. That's less money, right, that you have lost that you don't get to use when you become a good trader. I hope that makes sense. We're all on the same page, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, Coach.
Good, good. So please just follow along, right? If you're a new trader, don't use any money. I know I keep seeing these gurus like, oh, trade this and trade. Don't do that. Okay. You'll also notice those gurus have no experience or they're newer, right? I've been doing this longer than most of the gurus you guys are watching have been alive. What does that tell you? We have trained over 1 million people in this room. We've retired, and I know it's got to be over 200 people now. I've been saying 170 for the whole year. I know it's over 200 people, right? We've made over 100 million easily in the room. How about you listen to somebody who's actually been doing this longer than anybody you've ever seen or heard of before? There's not a, I don't know one person on the internet, not one person that's been doing this longer than I have. Not a single person. They might have more YouTube subscribers. They might have more Instagram followers. They have not been doing this longer than I've been doing this. You ran into a real coach today, the real deal. So all I ask is just follow some of the, not some, follow the rules. Every one of them. Don't make up your own stuff. Come in with an empty cup. Let's have an amazing November, which will lead into an amazing Christmas, which will lead into an awesome 2025. Are we all on the same page?
100%,
Yes,
Coach.
yes, sir.
100%.
Absolutely,
Yes, Coach.
Coach.
Yes.
Yes.
Hoorah.
Yes,
Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, real quick. I'm just gonna do this super fast. Cause listen, as much as you guys hate hearing it, I hate repeating myself every day. I'm just gonna be honest with you. The hardest part of my job is that 6 minutes of me talking about my sales and service twice a day. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't. It's a necessary evil, but I'm telling you, as much as you're like, oh shit, I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee. I want to go get a cup of coffee too, but without it, none of us would be here. There'd not be a single person in here if I didn't talk about what we did. So I have to do it. So I apologize. I hate being the sales guy all the time too, but here we go. If you guys
Bring
are
it
interested,
100%, coach.
Yes.
You do your part.
thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. So if you guys are interested in joining us at any time, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. I have monthly, quarterly, annual, and some lifetime memberships available. Go check them out. I've got regular premium memberships. You guys will get Zoom access starting at 8:45 to 4 o'clock every day. Hot stock picks, pre-market setup, the IPO center videos on demand. Otherwise, you guys can roll over there, get the VIP membership. So 3 tiers, regular premium, VIP, then you can upgrade to VIP gold. It's just an add-on for each one. The reason why we have all these is because we have so many more products and services than anybody else offers. If you go look at all these other groups, right? They're like, oh, we're $200 a month. We do everything. They don't do anything. I'm telling you right now, look at what they offer compared to what we offer. I just saw somebody post their schedule. I'm like, what is that? We've already done more than that before the market's open, right? So if you want to know why we have it, I try to get a price tier to fit any budget, anywhere you are. I try to meet you where you are, right? With budget, experience, how much you want to grow, adapt, learn. But I have something for everybody in the room. And that is why we do the a la carte. It's not for me to nickel and dime you and all the other stuff. Because honestly, for what we do, I could just charge everybody in the room $500 or $1,000 flat rate. We'll call it everything. It's just platinum. We're going to miss a lot of people. I'm trying to help as many people as I can. That's why the first thing we have is a 7-day trial. It costs you $35. You want to try us out? Check it out. If you don't like it, you don't need to do anything else. Just cancel the membership, right? You're not going to hurt us. It's not going to hurt you. Nobody's going to be offended. We don't hold you hostage to anything, okay? So please, try it out. Come over for free. We have a free Discord. And everybody's like, everybody has a free Discord. Have you seen the free Discords that the people over there that have a free Discord is? It's terrible, you guys. I've bounced through all of them to see what our competitors are. Nobody does what American Dream Trading does. I cannot stress this enough. If this is your first time, I'm serious. Go look. Go look at our competition. By the way, we are ranked. We are top ranked. Sales, service, and training in the country, if not the world. Go find out why we are the best of the best. Go check it out for yourselves. Right? And hopefully you guys will find the products and services valuable. You will go tell other people. You will bring them over here. They will change their life. They will tell other people. They will bring people. It will change their life, so on and so forth. VIP memberships. You'll get training with me starting at 8, training or trading. This morning was slow. We kind of had a slow morning. It's sometimes that happens. Not very often, but it happens. Pre-market early access at 4 o'clock. That alone. VIP members, I know we got 4 minutes to the bell. You realize with a VIP membership, that's 12 hours of training and trading a day. You realize I don't know of a single group that even does that. That one piece. We have like 50 things out of what we do. That one piece alone. Does anybody know? Anybody else that does over 12 hours of training a day?
No one, coach.
No one. No one does that. I'm telling you right now, no one does that. Right? Does anybody know that all of their moderators, and most of them that are in the room, and the ones that are millionaires were made here? Have you guys looked at the other places you've gone to? You realize that they are hiring people from outside. You realize all the talent, support, everybody that's in here, all the millionaires, you know that they were all made here, right? You're not going to find that anywhere else. I don't care how many YouTube subscribers. I don't care what they say. I don't care what kind of Lambos they're driving. You guys realize that all the self-made millionaires were made here, nowhere else. Again, you're only going to get this here. You are in the right place. Let's get that to 300 concurrent viewers over on TikTok. Click that share, double tap that screen if you like all this free content we do every day, every single day for you, from 9 to 11 every day for stocks and options, 2 to 4 every day for you for futures, 5 to 6:30 or 7 every night to talk about the entire market, all on YouTube. All of this. Let everybody know. Let the world know. You want to help somebody out? Let them know who we are, where to go, and who you can trust. VIP memberships. Again, you'll also get the VIP lounge, workshop classes, all the training videos, and our exclusive trading view indicators that I have designed and developed here, right? From 3 decades of being in the market. Only here. No one else has it. You can Google it, YouTube it. Nobody does what we do. Seriously. You get the VIP Gold Complete, or the VIP Gold add-on, I should say. All the mastermind classes, 1 hour tech support, weekend training every Saturday, Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, breakout rooms, all the recordings, the replays, the live Apple chat. You guys can watch David, who's now, David, are you at 300,000 in profits yet? You got to be really close.
I think it was just over 292.
$292,000 in profits since using the EWO strategy for the last 2 years. Fully retired, now works full-time here at American Dream Trading as a moderator who also trains you one-on-ones. Again, we are the only stock market training company to do what we do. So please come check us out. That's my sales spiel. I appreciate everybody hanging on to that. We've got about 45 seconds to the bell. Make sure you guys have your journal. Do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, go ahead and take the next 2 to 4 weeks off. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, or futures. Make sure you guys allow the runners to run, stop out the losers. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an experienced trader, don't trade in the first 3 minutes or about the last 8 minutes of the day. Please make sure you guys are simulated, not using real cash while you are learning what to do. I would highly recommend you start with shares, not options. If you guys want to check out futures, I got a huge sale with futures going on right now. $2,500 lifetime membership for futures. Get it while you can. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Let's crush this week. Everybody hang on to your booties. We're going to have some good fun. Let's go. All right, let's see what's happening. Give me 1 second. Why? There we go. Give me 1 second. Why is this doing this? There we go.
Can I grab that fan that's right here in the hallway? It's a little stuffy.
No, you cannot, Christina. Thank you, though. Tesla moving to the upside here. Apple bounced off this 220.34 that I had marked. It hit down to about 220 and bounced. Apple bouncing. Tesla moving up nicely to the upside. ES Futures also finding some move to the upside off 57.49.50. SPY to the upside. Also the Qs. Everything popping to the upside. Everybody be cool. Remember, this is election week. There will be a lot of topsy-turvy, a lot of volatility, meaning things can run up, run down really fast on you. If you guys are looking at doing anything with a 2-minute EWO, please at least wait for the first 2-minute indicator to form. I would recommend the second. If you know what you're doing, you can obviously get in a little bit early, but I don't want anybody getting their faces ripped off. Give me 1 second. I need to change this.
Mid to the downside a bit pre-market level.
All right, thank you. There goes Mara to the downside. ES, SPY, and the Qs. Everything's starting to pull back. XPEV, previous hot stock, XPEV, getting a lot of volume here, 1.3 million volume to the upside. Check out XPEV. Tilray, TLRY, also getting a pop. Watch this double top. Needs to stay above $1.71. 1.8 million volume over there on Tilray. See if that'll stay to the upside. DJT up here
Microsoft
on
to
a
the
double
downside.
top. Be careful on DJT up here on a double top. Sorry, Nana, go.
Microsoft to the downside below pre-market level.
Thank you. Make sure we're
Yeah.
calling out the 2-minute EWOs. They're the most important. DJT's breaking a double top and holding. DJT.
Mid-second red EW.
Thank you, Nana. Be careful. Don't clip over me.
Absolutely, coach. Thank you.
Thank you. XPEV starting to find resistance at 1250. Be careful on XPEV. Apple pulled back 222.40. So I said, please be careful over there, right? Extra cautious. Extra cautious over there. SPY still to the upside. Had a bounce of 570.50 on SPY. SPY very weak though, because not broke that 200 yet.
Tesla to the downside.
Thank you. Let's see. ES, same thing, pulling back. XPEV found support at 1230. Tesla still to the downside. Tesla had that nice little pop at the open. Now flushing all the way out.
They had some bad news in China sales.
Yes, they did. 22%, I believe. Down China sales. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Tesla is still continuing to the downside here. See if it's going to find support at 241.50. SPY still flushing out. SPY still red. I am in ES to the downside here. Letting this continue to go to the downside. I've got my stop right here at 20 ticks. I am in the green. I'm going to move my stop loss now above what I paid. I'm up 150 on that trade over on ES minis.
Hot stock.
Go ahead.
Hot stock. NUWE is taking off.
Thank you. ES continuing to the downside. Nice, nice. ES crashing out. Looking good. Looking nice. ES still crashing out. Put this up on the big screen here for you guys so you can see this actual trade for futures, just in case you guys are ever curious what futures looks like. Can everybody see it? This is a live futures trade right here. You can see I'm up 300 on this trade. You can see double bounce area right here. This is what futures looks like, by the way. There are no Greeks, no theta, gamma, delta. It's either going in your favor or it's not. Make that money, baby. Futures, $2,500 lifetime or right now. Thank you. Tesla continuing to pull to the downside, 241.48. By the way, I'm trading off of TradingView using Webull as the brokerage account.
Hot stock pick NUWE.
Okay.
Second cap.
Thank you. That's easy for you to say.
Sorry.
You're all right. Continuing to pull right here. ES Futures. I'm now up $500 on this trade. You guys can see it on my screen.
Bullshit, coach.
Yep. Making money, 550. Got my stop here right there. Just in case so it doesn't come back. You can see the trade right here. Collateral on this trade, by the way, costed me $960. I'm now up $600 on that trade. Yes, continuing to crash out for futures. I'm just giving you guys a sneak peek of what futures looks like. I'm trying to show you guys what you're missing and what I've been talking about every day and what Ange trains on every single day from 12 to 4 every single day. I'm now up $975, yeah, $800 on the trade watching the bounce here. I'm going to move a tight stop. Thank you. Boom, right there. Just made $700 on the trade. Did everybody see it?
Alarm's going off, coach.
Yep, that's fine. That's just my trading view. That's my trading view telling me I made almost 100% on that trade. That was 80% on that trade. Everybody see it?
That was cool.
Yep, yep.
Yep.
Thank you, coach.
Yep. That's what it looks like.
I'm posting my profit, coach.
Thank you. Just a beautiful trade there. Again, that was a $900 and I believe $67 entry for one. That was one ES mini future done. Right there. Absolutely love futures for small accounts. Oh my gosh, you get so much leverage. Just make sure you have a stop in place on everything, right? Just like with our shares and options. But just like that, done for the day. Actual P&L after fees and everything was $645. Done. Done and done. Beautiful. And by the way, now I can reuse that money over and over and over. There's no waiting. There's no PDT. I don't have to wait for the account to settle. I can do that 1,000,000 times in a single day. Tesla continuing to crash. Futures, you guys might want to sign up. $250 a month, or right now, $2,500 lifetime. Even, listen, even if you guys are trading shares and options, you're like, I have no desire. If at one point you want to do it, I would highly recommend you get the lifetime membership. It's not going to stay like that. You guys already know it won't stay like that. Apple double bottom right now at 220. Apple double bottom 220. Calls on support, puts on resistance with tighter stops because you're scalping those trades. There it goes. Lights out. Now that careful though. It still hasn't shown confirmation to the downside. That's still not confirmation. 2-minute EWO, you guys are in effect to the downside. You're below VWAP, you're below the 200, but you're watching the bounce. So if you haven't got in yet, we don't get in on that on the bounce, right? No, we don't.
Speaking of bounce, NUWE hot stock is about new high.
Yes, thank you. NUWE, new high, 96% volume or volatility off the increase. Nice call out on that. 18.8 million in volume, only 1.84 on the float. So not a lot of shares over there. We love when we see that. It creates a lot of volatility, right? There goes your Apple double bottom bounce. Who either made the trade or I saved you on the 2-minute EWO from the entry there. Anybody?
Save me, coach.
Thank you.
NUWE just
Save me,
blasted
coach.
off, still going.
Thank you. NUW 106%. It's easy to catch FOMO on those, right? And think it's just going to keep going. That's not how stocks work, gang. ES futures finding support here around 57.40 and 50 cents. So 745.50 over there on ES. NUWE, great call out on that, by the way, partner, up 111%. NUWE on massive volume. Massive volume. I see profits are already pouring in. Remember, the third part of the accountability is you will post profits and or loss in the P&L area. Percentage, dollar amounts, I don't care what it is. You better post. That's a part of our accountability, right?
Yes, it is, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, coach.
Thank you. NUWE, 113%.
Yep, it broke through a big wall at 290, and now next one's at 3.
Thank you. Yep, I see it. 11,500 seller sitting there. Be careful. You get closer to 3. If you have not entered NWE, don't do it. Not here. Do you hear the sound of my voice? You want to wait till a break and hold above 3 if you've not entered yet, okay?
We'll do that.
Thank you. Apple, looking for a pullback off of VWAP here. We'll see if that's going to now pull back to test that previous double bottom. The good thing with Apple is VWAP and the 200 are really close there. Okay, so you got two levels that you're going to be fighting with on Apple for resistance. NWE. Let's see, NUWE. Let's see if that will test this $3 here. Okay, we're coming up on $3. Watch your L2. You'll start to see this get. Oh, look at L2 stacking. Boom. Pop through. There it goes. Hasta la vista, baby.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Yes. That's going to be a halt right there. 142%. Good job, everybody.
That's a holder. Textbook right there, baby.
Nice. Good call out on that, by the way, to have us all looking over there. Beautiful call out. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. By the way, that's on our hot stock pick. All of our paid members, including our regular premium members, also everybody that has a 7-day little trial over there, you guys all had NUWE posted for you this morning at 8:43. 8:43 this morning, you knew to look at NUWE. If you are a premium VIP member or VIP Gold, you guys got that posting at 8:04 this morning to look at NUWE. Something to meet everybody's budget and skill set. SPY bounced off 569.27. Same with the Qs over there at 484.25. Futures bounced at 57.38.50. Apple still trying to make a move. XPEV, we called that earlier today. Now back up here on a double top. 12.50. XPEV. SPY is moving up. Qs are moving up. Apple's moving up. Cautious level. Go ahead, partner.
2-minute SMCI. Beautiful stair stepping upside.
Thank
Set
you.
200 on a 1 minute.
Thank you.
2-minute EWO on Soxel as well.
Thank you. Good call outs. Listen to this. You guys are like a bunch of experts in here.
What level do you think for an entry level on
$1
SPY?
million.
Aha.
Let me look.
$1 million.
Let's see. Nana, I would be looking for a pullback. The closer we get to this 571.25. If it can break and hold, then you'll get a ride of that up to the 200 at 571.75.
Okay.
That'll be a double top. It's a little micro double top because pre-market is, much higher.
Yeah.
But this will be the first right test of resistance.
Okay.
Good question though. Let me mark it right here. We'll keep an eye on it.
IWM 2-minute green just past the 200.
Thank you. Let's take a peek. Oh yeah, beautiful. Yeah, IWM, you guys get above this 219.50, you'll have a 6-star trade on your hands, but got a little ways to go, about 25 cents now. Turn that into a 6-star trade. Look at all those candles, all those green candles on IWM. And if you guys look at it, it broke yesterday's close. Okay, it went from red to green, trending to the upside, watching for resistance at 219.50, which we all know is not 219.50. It's anywhere right here, right where it's at. So from here to here, this is actually 219.50, right? This is resistance.
Pre-market 219.63.
Thank you. Yep.
Coach, 1 minute on hold time for NUWE.
On halt time on NUWE is
9:47:35.
There you go.
Your fifth green candle.
Coach, 7 green candles on Tesla.
Oh,
Amazon,
thank
too
you.
many EWO to the upside.
Thank you. Yeah, be careful over here. Yep, I see it. Apple breaking through. VWAP now coming up testing that 200. We just talked about that. Yeah, Tesla having a nice bounce off that 238.90 range. Let me check SPY here, Nana. Nana, we're right on the double top here. See it?
Yeah, I'm waiting. Being
Yep.
patient.
Yep.
And red to green.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I see it.
Hey, Coach, you looked at Amazon?
Yep. On it. Let me put it up on the big screen. Yeah, Amazon. Long as we stay up above 197, I like it long, but it needs to stay up there. And you can see all these different areas. Oh, yeah, 197. So if it can't hold that, because this 197 is technically a double top. Can everybody see this? Right here. Does everybody see it?
Yes, sir.
So 197 is everything to Amazon. And this is a double top. So this is a huge caution area, right? Danger. Danger. SPY over here. Yeah, yeah.
Same.
Yep. Looking good to the downside for me. See if this will pull off this double top. Hopefully I didn't get in there too late.
NUWE halted up again.
Thank you. Let me flip this. You guys can see it here. Double top here. Waiting to see if we're going to get a pullback off of this area. If not, I've got to stop above the double top area. Give this a little bit more room. We've got the 200 right here. I'm going to let this breathe a little bit more right there. Watching this.
Coach, NUWE halted again second time.
To the upside.
Yes.
Thank you. That's a double hot stock pick halt. Do you guys hear that? Nice and nice. Everybody catch that? Good job.
Coach, we have NVIDIA on a first green EWO.
Oh, thank you.
Got to be cautious where it is.
Oh, yeah, real cautious. Yeah, that's, yep, 138.20 was, let me look. Nope, it had higher than that. Let me look. Yeah, I'll have to put it on the big screen. Let me see what's going to happen with this ES real quick. Still waiting on this ES to pull back, which if you guys are trading shares or options, SPY, right? Or up here, like I said, if this can break and hold the double top, then it's going to be pushing that 200. So I've got my stop up here. Actually, yeah, 271. Put it right there. Here we go. We're getting a little bit more of a flush here now on the double top on ES and SPY. See if we can get that double top flush. You know, that's my favorite trade in the business.
Yep. Hopefully people shaved on IWM. Don't sit in it.
There it goes. Now I'm going to move my stop. Just there it goes. Yeah, baby. There it is. There it is. Bye-bye. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. Too tight of a stop. But there goes the double top pullback. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. All the things. That's my gift to you.
Ho, ho, ho.
That's my early Christmas gift to all of you right there. You like that?
Yeah.
That's awesome, Coach.
Yep. You guys go ahead and mark it. That is a huge trade. Moderators, you guys can also use the front cam, whatever you want to do with that. That's a massive, massive money maker.
Can we get some audio?
Yeah, audio's already working on it. It's already fixed.
I was right there with you, Coach.
Yep, nice job.
Coach, on hold time for hot stock pick NUWE, it's 9:53:12.
Thank you.
Oh my God, that looks like a ram.
It does. It really does. Yep. It really does. So right here, we had the nice pullback, cup and handle, textbook trade. We hammered this right here. If you guys were in SPY, you guys hammered puts. If you guys were with me on futures, right, you got to hammer ES or MES, depending on if you were doing micros or minis. Everybody got paid. Everybody's a winner. Winner, winner. Step up and get your prize now at American Dream Trading. Who got a prize? Who's gonna pick up that little donkey? Huh? Talk to me. Who's gonna go up there and grab that donkey prize? Come on, step on up. Step on up.
Coach the Carney.
Who made money on that trade, by the way?
Small win, like we talked about. Small win.
Yes.
I did it.
I did. It
You
was
feel
great. Thank you.
anything.
Thank
Risk
you.
it, no risk,
That's right.
in and out.
That's right. I had my stop a little too tight, but it's okay because I was watching this right here, this 57, 50, 20 area. That's where I was expecting this to pull down. It looks like it's still staying here. So if you guys are still in that trade, right, stay in that trade. Let this thing work. Let it work. Now, again, the beauty of this, let me flip it to SPY. So, by the way, that's a glimpse of what we're doing in futures. I hope you guys understand what's going on here. Over here. Okay, if you guys were in SPY, you did the same exact thing. Now, here's what's crazy. How many of you thought I was crazy or started to panic when I was in this red area? You saw my profits were red, right?
Yes.
How many of you were like, oh no, coach did not get that right?
No.
I know, I guarantee you somebody did. Somebody was watching going, that isn't right, coach. Look at the way this thing's.
I thought that, Coach.
Yeah.
That was me.
Yeah, you're like, it's just going to keep going. Coach, it looks great. So all the momentum, the whole market's going to the upside. Everything is great. And then
Just
Come
let
on,
the old
bro.
man go.
just let the old man trade. Double top, perfect, textbook, my absolute favorite trade. Nana, isn't that what I said up there?
Yeah.
Yep. Double top, baby. Double top. Beautiful. Pulled all the way back down to VWAP. Textbook.
Yeah, I saw VWAP and I said, I'm getting out at VWAP right there.
Yep. Yeah. And my stop was actually just above. So if I was
Just
looking at
above.
SPY, just above this 200 because it barely had any room to go, right? So my higher risk was right here. This was my risk. Okay. This is my potential reward. Right? This all
And while you
this.
were saying that, Apple did exactly the same thing.
Yep. So there you go. Textbook. Textbook, baby. There goes that NVIDIA pulling back off that 200. Man, it's almost like we train ourselves on this every day. It's almost like we know what the hell we're doing in here. Weird. It's crazy. Bet you we got a lot of new likes, new members, a lot of follows, a lot of people subscribing off of this today. Let's take a look, shall we? TikTok, we had 2 new followers. TikTok, you guys are letting me down. 1 gift over on TikTok, 2 followers, 10,000 likes, and only 166 people watching. Twitch, everybody on Twitch is asleep. I see nobody communicating. By the way, Twitch, LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, all of you were supposed to tell me today if you guys followed the rules on Friday. This is your accountability challenge. I told all you, even you watching for free, did you guys follow all the rules? And did you go small position size? And did you end up red or green? Tell me right now. Every free channel out there, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube. Let me know right now. Did you follow all the rules on Friday? Did you go in small position size? And were you green or red? Tell me, everybody in all of those. If you don't, I'm shutting it down. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you guys are not going to participate, the free live will be terminated today. Yes, I will lose money. I don't care. I need you guys to focus, even when you're watching for free. YouTube, why am I not seeing you light up? Twitch, where are you at? Facebook, start posting right now. TikTok, nice. You did follow the rules. Marcus Green. SP Singh says, yes, I did. Nice. Jose, I did. Yes to all in green, says Z. Oliver Sorensen, green. You didn't trade because your son was visiting. That's okay. Crypto, green. Look at that. Nathan, thank you. Over on YouTube says, I did not follow the rules. I FOMO'd and ended up red. Hey, it's perfect. Perfect. Right here. Say what you mean. Red, but small loss. Perfect, right? This is what I'm telling you. The only thing you will have to lose is a smaller amount, right? If you're going in smaller size, following the rules, versus what you would have done anyways, which would have been larger amount, bigger lost. Jose, you need to fix that. If you lost big over on the free TikTok, you need to follow the rules, right? All right, here we go. Marcus said scaled back from doing 7 to 10 contracts to 2 to 4 contracts. Marcus, how did your day wind up? Red, green, better, worse? Talk to me, Marcus, over on TikTok. Gypsy, I see you over in our page. Says red 2 days in a row last week, so I'm watching and paper trading. Smart. Marcus says green. Good job, Marcus. So Marcus scaled back and was green. Was it a better trade? Did it feel better? Were you not freaking out the whole time? Were you able to allow the runners to run? You noticed there was less risk? Yes, and green, says Joe. Thank you. Big Rig Dave says didn't trade on Friday. That's okay. Anybody else? Come on, let me know. Seriously, I'm going to hold you guys accountable every single day. Bill says, hey, Coach Green, 68% up. Wow, Bill. Jeez. Matt says green. All right, Marcus, who's been telling me over on TikTok, listen to this. He says, yes, not moving as quickly, and it let me stay in the trade longer. Proof is in the pudding, right? We'll
1
see.
minute to shift change.
Thank you. Thank you for that, Gord. We'll see you soon. Just listening. Perfect. 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 Do me a favor, everybody that's watching, either click that follow, hit subscribe, or share us out. Do me that favor. We're doing this free every day. I'm here 9 to 11. I'm in this hot seat every day answering hundreds of questions, getting you guys through the market, showing you what I see. Thank you for that. Thank you, Gord, for the hand hearts. I appreciate you over on TikTok. Plug, PLUG, double top.
SMCI New Hive Day roaring.
Thank you. SMCI. Yes, SMCI up 5% off some of these massive pullbacks on SMCI.
Shift change.
Shift change right now. Thank you.
Second 2 minute green on SPY, Coach, but it looks weak on the triple top.
All right, let's take a peek. No, triple T, you got a long way to go. Don't worry about that right there. You just got to worry about that 200. All right, partner?
Tesla, first minute, 2 minute EWO
All right,
to the upside.
Thank you. SMCI continuing to climb. Good call.
Thank you, Coach.
Yep. Tesla above the 200. Looking good. Just be careful now. The closer we get on Tesla to this 245, okay, it's going to be a huge, huge double top area. You guys can see it. So if you can break and hold this 200, because technically you can see right here. If you guys look, this, here, 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 this is why it's having a little bit of a struggle bus, and it's the 200. You break this 200, we're taking a ride to 245. This will be a full double top. Everybody see it? Okay, good. NVIDIA pulled back off that 200. That's what I talked about earlier and is now below VWAP. NVIDIA pulled back. Speaking of NVIDIA, I don't know if you guys heard or not, just so you know, NVIDIA is replacing Intel INTC in the Dow. After 20 years, Intel is toast. If you've been here longer than 2 minutes, I talk about NVIDIA all the time. I've been telling you how great of a stock it's been for over 2 years straight, literally since the day I walked in the door. What do you know? It's crazy. What is it? Just let the old man go. Let him go. Beautiful. Don't forget about our mentorship program. Mentorship program. That is massive. If you guys are not a part of our mentorship program, I highly recommend you check that out. If you've ever wanted a one-on-one with me, if you've ever wanted to be a part of that, a smaller, intimate group, you can ask anything you want. It's all fully recorded. Check out the mentorship program. It's $500 a month, so it's a little more costly. It's about the same price, right, as our typical VIP. It can completely change the way you think, the way you trade, the way you invest, retirement accounts, right? Obviously, results not guaranteed, but I'm telling you, you get more of this one-on-one style approach. Check that out. Seriously, that's the mentorship program. Make sure, though, you guys obviously have a premium or a VIP or a gold. Don't just get the mentorship program. That's not what that's for, because it's not daily training. It's once a week, okay? It's an add-on to really speed up and narrow down what you specifically need to work on. Anybody in the mentorship program in here, is it worth its weight? Is it worth $500 a month, or should they just skip it?
It is worth its weight.
It's worth every penny, Coach.
Absolutely,
Coach. Thanks.
For sure.
You're a genius, Coach.
Thank you. Appreciate you guys. So careful up here on Tesla. You see how we're getting closer and closer and closer to that 245? See this pulling back here? This is double top. We just talked about this. You got to be really careful up there, right?
Yeah, it's still that red to green area.
It is, and Tesla's down 2%. So Tesla's way down for the day. You got another $5 to go, right? Just to get close a day on Friday. So even though right now it had a bounce, the overall trend for Tesla is to the downside, right? And this is the other part that will confuse people. Oh, it's up. No, Tesla's bloody red, down 2% today, right? This is not up. This is a micro move to the upside. Okay, good.
No, it sure isn't up. That's for sure. I can tell
No,
you.
hell no. Yeah, ask any long-term holder today. They're like, damn it.
Right?
Yeah, right? Like, that's some bull. Beep, 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 beep. SPY.
Yep.
Yeah. SPY fighting the 200. Now, remember, this is the end of close Fridays. That's why we're starting to flip, right? We're fighting this red to green area. You can see it right here on this percentage. That's close a day. When you see it at 0%, that's just flat, meaning previous day close. That means if it's going down to it, that always becomes support. If it's going up to it, it always becomes resistance on that 0% close of day. Okay, so we've got to be careful. We talk about this all the time. Treat it like another indicator, right? Okay, good. So huge resistance here and the 200. The one thing that I do like is that we had a nice double top, pull back, pushed back up. So if we can get this break of the 200, we'll look at a nice push up here to around this 572 area. But if you guys look at our 2-minute EWO indicators, we are pushing hard on resistance area, right? You guys see that on our trading view indicators? We have yeah, we've got to break this 571. What is this? 571.70-ish area.
Hot stock TNYA running up.
Thank you. TNYA, thank you.
IWM new high day.
Thank you. IWM new high day. Let me pull that up. Yeah, beautiful. Now look at this. That hit exactly on I had 219.50 marked. It pulled all the way back to 219, which we have marked. So if you guys look at this, let me highlight these. Here, and here. So if we look at this, right, it hit here, pulled back, hit our next major level, took off, broke through our previous resistance area, new high.
Yep, it was a textbook double top break it home, coach.
Absolutely. Great job, everybody.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Didn't
it's-
get in until it broke in hell.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Anybody that was following in the chat down there, it's exactly what I wrote in the chat, Coach.
Yes, yes, good job. Because if you look at it right here, look at this big old double top. See it?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Pulled back, massive pullback, broke through. We already know once it breaks through, right? Because here's your cup and handle, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
Boom and out of here. It's beautiful. Good job.
And if people shedded like they should have shedded on that first pullback,
Yes,
2 red candles would have been glorious.
absolutely.
Unless you run it to run.
Yeah, don't be afraid to shed yourself here at American Dream Trading. Be here all week.
Spy broke, it's trying to hold.
I'll be here all week. Christina, don't be afraid to
Sorry.
shed yourself here.
I shed myself all the time.
All right. Thank you. Christina sheds herself all the time
That's TMI.
at American Dream Trading.
They make things for that.
Yep.
Coach, today I've never shed the way I've never shed this way today. I followed the rules today. I'm a scalper. I could have definitely, stayed in longer or whatever, but it was so much more peaceful. I know I made a little bit less,
Yep.
but if it went the right way, it would have been, lights out, like you say. So thank you so much.
Absolutely. And here's what's cool, right? If you do that consistently and over time, you're going to, first of all, you're going to wind up ahead. Second of all, then we can increase position size, right? So what was where I'm just having you guys go smaller, once we get it dialed in, next month you guys can go in a little larger. You make it right, and it's not freaking out and you're not going crazy, make it a little larger in January, make it a little larger in February, right? You start to lose, pull it back again. You lose more, pull it back, right? We will control all of our emotions and the way that we trade by position sizes. I cannot stress it enough. I've said it since the day one, literally since day one. I've told you this, but it's hard. I get it. It's hard. Just do it. That's what we're doing. The whole month of November, you all promised me you were going to do that.
Committed.
Yes. Yes, yes. Making some nice moves. SPY here again, pulled back. I told you, though, this is a major level of resistance, right? This is huge. And I told you on the 2-minute EWO indicators, I said this 571, what did I say? 571.70 was going to be a big deal. Isn't that what I said? Let me flip my screen to show you paid members what I'm talking about.
You did say it.
So if you
Yes,
guys,
Coach.
yeah, look right here. You can see the upper limit pushing hard. This is a major level of resistance, right?
Yeah, it's been trying to get that 572 for like a week.
Yeah, I mean, it's pushing here, right? So statistically, if you look at this, and this does pull back, if it does pull back, if you look at this, this is going to try to come down to here, right? Then this is support. And then off to the races again. So in between that, we've got VWAP here. Okay. So if it does pull, obviously VWAP will be the test. If it continues to break through, guess what? We're going all the way here back down to support. Otherwise, this will consolidate for a long time, which will then create this resistance level will actually move, giving it room to then be able to come back up. You guys will see us all in real time off of our trading view indicators. I can't stress enough how much this is going to be helpful. We don't have to trade on it, but it is definitely another tool, another set of indicators, another way to look at what we're doing. Notice I always have it up. I always have it up. It's always on the right side over here, right? I've got this 49-inch OLED ginormous, 2 of them monitors with everything going. It's always here. I always have it up, constantly and forever. I can see it before anybody else based on my 2-minute EWO, right? Okay, good. Glad we're all on the same page. Let me flip my screen back. Do I have to have all this science? No. Could you take away every indicator on my screen I could trade? Yes. Do I like to have these indicators? You bet. They help. Every little bit helps, right? You guys can see the main ones I use right here, right? Okay, good. Good. I see the profits coming in. Again, remember, this is accountability week. And make sure your futures people are being held accountable this week. They need to be posting in our profits and loss. They need to follow the rules. They need to go in smaller. They need to have the stops and follow the rules. Hold them accountable every day this month. Deal?
You got it.
Thank you, partner. By the way, isn't Ange
You
doing
bet.
such a great job over there in the futures? Let's give it up for Ange right now. Yes. And she's a hell of a lot better looking than the old man up here. I get it. I understand. Okay, I understand. We upgraded. All right, I get it. Got to watch the old crusty guy in the morning, and I don't want it to get creepy, but a much more beautiful person to watch futures in the afternoon. Okay, good. I was trying to think of words to say without it being creepy. I don't know. All right, SPY pulling back here.
Too late.
I know.
Did you feel that?
I was trying.
Yeah, I was just
thinking
the same
watching
thing.
my words, gang. I was really
Knew that
trying
was
to be
coming,
extra
Dawn.
I was gonna say
careful
too
how
late
I
too, but
said
I was
it.
busy.
Just trying to watch my language. You know what I'm saying? Trying to be
Good
cool,
job, Coach.
professional, but
I
yet
see you shifting.
courteous. Yeah, sweating a little bit. Had to sweat off right the beard. The beard was.
Watch the language,
Yes.
right?
Everybody be
Right.
cool. Everybody be cool. There goes SPY on that pullback. What do you know? Didn't we see it first? Didn't we know this was up on a major level? Yeah, we did. We sure did, didn't we, ladies and gentlemen? Huh? Did I or did I not say that up there? Yep.
Yes, you did, Coach.
Yes. So just keep an eye out. Make sure we're using all the things. Make sure you guys are collecting when you're supposed to. Shed on pullbacks. If you're an advanced 2-minute EWO, you can be adding after the shed for the bounce. If you're not advanced, ignore that. Shed when you're supposed to. 50, 20, 20, 10% of the size. Good job. It's now 10:14. NUWE getting volume here now. NUWE had a bounce off of $3. NUWE.
Yep, hammered it on the confirmation over VWAP.
Oh, good job, partner.
Tight scalp or tight
Yes.
stop, I'm sorry.
Yes. Good job. You were all primed up from those 67 trades you made in the pre-market, right?
I'm all fired up, Coach. I'm all fired up.
Paul, man, was firing on all cylinders. He was just getting it done in the pre-market. He was already up like $4,700 in the pre-market off of what, like 4 or 5 different stocks?
Yeah, I was just hammering everything like popcorn.
He was just going after it. Like Pokemon, he was collecting them all, baby. Tilray pulled back. Plug still consolidating. PLUG still consolidating. XPEV hit that double. Look at this is again. Can't stress this enough. Look at this. Double top. Pullback. Broke through VWAP. Lights out to the 200 right here. Everybody see how this is working out? Okay, good. If this was going to be a bullish trade, this would have had a pullback, cup, handle, bounce, breakthrough, a previous area, which would have been right here. Then this would have been bullish. Right? That would have been a cup and handle. breaking through previous resistance, which is a double top. That would have been bullish. Hold off on your questions for a moment. We're doing a masterclass session that the moderators are recording. But because this did a double top, cup handle never came back, broke through a major level of support. We all know lights out below VWAP, crashed, hit the 200, which then became support. Now going to have this push trying to make its way back to VWAP. So this was bearish. Moderators, you can clip that whole segment. Make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
And I saw a hand.
Yes,
now,
Coach.
now you can ask the question. Thank you for not interrupting, by the way, because while we're editing that, it creates so much more work trying to pull out people talking over me when I'm training. So thank you for holding it off. And Nathaniel, go ahead, hand up.
Yes, sir. I'm doing the following the rules this month, and so far it looks pretty awesome. I want to see if you could look at Tesla. Is that a cup and handle, or am I looking at that wrong?
It was a cup and handle. It's already happened. Everybody look. Cup, handle, push up. Can you guys see it?
Sweet. Okay. Just want to make sure I read that right.
Yep. And now, though, now you're being careful because this 245, right, is the tip up, is up here. See it? So this is another cup. Can you see it? 245.
Yes, I see it.
Yep. But yeah, it's already happened right here. It was off by 40 cents, but that was your cup. Handle came back through. This is your retest. As long as it stays above, we're longing it. Otherwise, though, right, then this would push hard if it can't. So as long as this stays up, and again, right, this is the same principles again. Cup and handle, we just went through it, broke through the upside, bullish. Isn't that what we just discussed?
Yes.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yep. But again, you will use this 245 to be everything. It has to stay above this area, okay?
Yes. Yes, sir. I got it. Thank you.
Yep. Great job. Great pointing that out. Listen to you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are crushing it. Thank you over there on TikTok. Are we at 300 concurrent viewers so I can give away a bunch of money? What did we give away last week? $3,000? That was awesome. Nice job. Where are my TikTok gang at? I don't see you at 50,000 likes. Click that follow button. Appreciate you all being here. Let's go. If we get to 300 concurrent viewers or 50,000 likes, we'll do some sort of giveaway. I try to do something cool every day.
Coach, 6 green candles on NVIDIA.
Thank you. Let's take a peek on the 1 minute. Yep. And you're up
Yes,
on
sir.
and you're on the 200, right? So that's already a scary spot. If you guys look at this, you guys see how it was respecting the 200 right here? Right? So you already know this is resistance and everybody's being careful. Yes? Puts on resistance, calls on support. Did anybody ever say that to you before? Okay, good.
Is that something new?
Yeah, is that
You
something
might
new?
have heard that once or twice.
Yeah. Just
Hey,
please.
Made us short about it.
Yeah. Just be careful. Just be careful here. Now the good thing
Damn, that
is,
sounds familiar.
right? The good thing is if this pulls back, VWAP is right here, right? So this right here, this is my no-fly zone. Can everybody see this area? It's very small. This is my no-fly zone. I want to long it here. I want to short it here. But this diddling in the middle, that's a no bueno. Okay? No bueno. Make sense?
Si, senor.
Thank you.
Nice Tesla call out. Thank you.
Did I spell that right?
IWF, new high day, coach.
Thank you. Nice job.
Supposed to say, "Si, senor."
Si, senor. Easy. Go ahead. You got your hand up?
Yes, sir. Good morning, coach.
Morning.
So I had a question on XPEV, and this one, it doesn't really matter where it was, but as you see VWAP, it shows that it breaks through VWAP almost so easily. So it's like at that point, it wasn't really support, right? Sometimes VWAP can be support, sometimes it can be resistance, but when it passes through so easily, does that mean that the indicator isn't as strong compared to like the MA 200?
No, it's always as strong. VWAP is
Okay.
stronger. Yeah, VWAP is stronger than anything on your screen.
Got it.
There is nothing, and I mean nothing, everybody in this room, there's nothing as strong as VWAP.
Okay.
Nothing.
Got it.
Yep.
Yeah, because even on other trades, you could kind of see that. I mean, if you go back to NVIDIA, which you were, it was like bouncing up through it and then below it, up
Yep.
through it, but always around it.
Yeah, it's because it's just consolidating in that area. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
And everybody in this room, do we trade when it's consolidating and sticking around VWAP?
No,
bueno.
No.
Yep, not at all. Leave it alone. Yep.
Don't diddle in the middle.
Yep. Leave it alone. It's garbage.
Thanks, Coach.
You got it. Look at IWM. Nice. What do we got?
400% on my last two runners there.
Oh, nice job. That's my cousin Vinny right there getting it done.
450, I stand
Nice
corrected.
job, DJ Vinny.
Getting her done, Coach.
Q's just passed over the 200.
Wow. Okay. Thank you. All right, Bruno, I see it. All right, gang, we're going to go ahead and shut the live down. Appreciate everybody being here. We've had no membership signups, but I do appreciate everybody being here. Listen, if you guys are watching for free, do me a favor. Join us again tomorrow. Yeah, we never got to 300 concurrent viewers. Nobody's really doing anything, but I appreciate you. I'm going to sign out with my moderators just so everybody can hear it, and we'll that way later, too, I can zip out. So thank you, too.
Hey,
Bruno.
Coach.
Yep.
I just want you to know that I'm brand new. I signed up last week. This is my first call.
Oh, thank you.
And I've been following you for about 2 weeks on TikTok. So hopefully this goes well.
Awesome. Thank you. How are you finding everything so far, Karen?
So far, it's going okay, but I have to start implementing stuff and getting into the mentor sessions.
Yes.
I just haven't had an opportunity with my job. I'm trying to figure out how to handle this job, excuse me, and do this at the same time.
Absolutely. Well, thank you for being here. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Just remember, take it slow. I want you to train more, trade less, paper trade in the beginning. Do not use real money. I don't want you blowing up your stuff. I need you to focus on what I'm saying more than you worrying about making money. Everybody always wants to come in and make a quick dollar. That's not what we're here for. I want you to actually train, learn, and listen to what's going on in the room, okay?
Fair enough. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Just so you guys know, right? By the way, Karen, how many years of experience have you had before you got here?
So I have about 4 years of stupid experience. And I say stupid experience, you're saying trade on paper.
Yep.
I'm 168 grand in the red.
Oh, okay. That's all right. So, gotcha. All right. It's okay. I've had some of those, right? If you guys remember, Mashulo came here down $1.5 million when we got her green in the first year. Results not guaranteed, but what I'm saying is please focus, right? Ange, same thing. Ange came in. She didn't trade for the first 3-4 months. So I don't want you guys coming in, blowing your stuff up. I want you to come in with an empty cup. Listen to what's going on in here. Obviously, Karen, you see you're surrounded by a lot of people, right?
Yep, a lot of positive people, which,
yes.
and a lot of the stuff, kind of like you said, a lot of people know this stuff. It's just a matter of implementing, like you're saying, doing the right thing. I stopped following my plan, and that's when everything went south. As you're just, and that's why I listened to you today. I'm like, he's right. I don't know what Friday was. I wasn't listening Friday.
Right.
But whatever that plan was, it had to be a hell of a plan.
Absolutely. Again, I appreciate you being here. So thank you guys, all of you, whether you're new, been here for years. I appreciate everybody tuning in. So thank you guys again. Don't forget, we got a lot of sales going on. If you guys buy 6 months of VIP, I will give you 6 months of VIP Gold add-on for free. Then, of course, after the 6 months, they'll renew at the regular rate. You only get to use that once, by the way. You can't every 6 months just keep getting VIP Gold free. Sorry, that's not the way it works. If you guys want to get into the futures, we have live futures training every day from 12 to 4. We are online for free every day from 2 to 4. So make sure you guys check that out, but go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. At least get the free Discord. We're not trying to sell you anything. Seriously, get in the Discord, Go to the education and training area, start to learn. I've got almost 2,000 videos on my YouTube channel. They're all free, right? Not selling you nothing. Go over there, start learning. There's tons of information. But once you get in this room, right, there's 430 people in this room right now in this Zoom. Everybody has a live open mic. Anybody at any time can ask any real questions. Obviously, the first 30 minutes is a little bit hectic. If you're a VIP member, we're here from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you're a regular premium member, you guys get in before the market opens to market close. Every day, even when I leave, we're here the rest of the day until the market, right? I've got almost 20 moderators standing by. Karen and anybody else that's new, if you guys need help, click on the help desk. If you go to the ADT community area on Discord, it says help desk support, click the envelope, okay? We'll take care of you. We have somebody here to help you with everything. Onboarding, we did onboarding for all of our new members on Friday, right? I paid 2 people over there for onboarding. They hold your hand through everything we do, the times where we are on, when we're live, where we go, where's all the information, what do I get to, how do I access, right? I pay people to help you, to get you started. Come on over, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Real quick, I want to thank Bruno, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, Palm Coast, Ange, and Aaron. Thank you to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving of that has served. Don't worry, paid members, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just shutting down the live. But again, thank you guys so much. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. Wow, that was a good one.
Thank you, Coach.
Wow.
Have a good day, man.
Yeah, that was awesome. That really came through. Wow. So I'm going to shut down the free all paid members. Don't worry, we're good to go. Again, if you guys want to know where we're at when we go live, click follow, click subscribe, right? Oh, nice job. Trader says follow the rules only. One contract, 4.2%. Okay, me signing out to all you free members. Do me a favor. Did you guys follow the rules today if you're done trading? Did you follow the rules? LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. Let me know right now. Today, did you follow the rules after I hounded you about it? Did you go in smaller? Did you follow all the rules? Was it a green or a red day? Paid members, if you guys are done trading for the day, you already know. Get your butts over to the profits and loss. Post it. Go. Monchez says, LOL. Okay. Neil says, yes. Turth, yes. And green, perfect. Nat, one contract in the green. Perfect. YouTube, where are you at? Twitch, where are you at? Outhouse, yes. Were you red or green? And green, perfect. Nice job. Anybody else? Nat in the green. Good. Anybody else? Chavez in the green. Nice job. Nice work. IWM continuing to climb while I'm doing this. Alex says yes and green. Does anybody notice how much more of a comfortable trade it was? You weren't freaking out. You weren't getting all sweaty. You weren't going psychotic, right? You were like, ah. Right? It calms your mind down. Slows it all down. Good job. Edward says made $1,100. Nice job. Ed says green, 118%. Beautiful job. YouTube, where are you guys at? Not seeing any chatter from you, YouTube. Zoom chatters. Since a lot of you are not using your mics, tell us, Zoom chat. Did you follow the rules? Show us. Did you follow the rules? Did you go, yep, right there. Ange, thank you. Follow the rules. Good job. Nice, nice. Oliver says 360. But you always go small. Nice job. Anthony, yep. Nice job. John, $2,032 on Tesla. Nice job. Beautiful. Follow the rules. Christina. Oh, Chad right there says nope, and I'm red today. Hey, Chad, write it in your journal, okay? Write it in your journal, partner. David, absolutely. Another green day trading Apple. David getting it done. Nice job. You ready to follow the rules, Ken? Good job.
Hey, Coach.
24%. 20. Thank you. 24% says Justin over on YouTube today. Nice work. So I hope you guys are starting to understand this. By the way, this is crazy. This is what's killer over here. David has been doing this for, it's got to be 2 months. It's got to be real close. Don't you think, David, to doing the Apple chat? And even longer because you were doing it in Zoom before we had the channel. David hasn't had a red day yet.
Yes, sir.
You haven't had a red day yet, have you? Red trades, but I don't think you've had a red
not
day.
since before. Yeah. Yeah, and I'm very transparent in there. I show when I'm holding runners that might go for a loss,
Yep.
but I've shaved off some in the profit, not taking an overall hit in the trade.
Right.
So
Can you remember the last red day you've had?
Can't find it.
Yeah, I was going to say that silence gang has got to tell you, right?
How old is he? He can't remember.
Can you, I need you guys to hear this, right? This is
Looking, he's looking.
right. It's been months.
well, it's been months, yeah. So
Yeah, listen. I mean, think about that. Months. Green.
But see, so the other thing I do is every day I budget my money to be able to take a handful of trades. So in case my first one or two are not very good,
Yep.
I have built up reserve to come out of that issue.
That's right.
I don't overdo it on my first and my second trade and then not have capital left over to come back.
That's right. That's beautiful. So again, if you guys are interested, VIP Gold, David is over there. By the way, David's putting on a clinic every Saturday. So he also does our VIP Gold Saturday training. You guys, I'm telling you, you're missing so much if you're not getting some of these memberships. If you guys aren't in the VIP Gold with Nate, oh my gosh, and Nate over there in the breakout rooms, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, are you serious? And Palm Coast and everybody, all you guys.
Hey,
You're
Coach.
missing so much. If you guys are just watching us on free, you're getting like 1% of what we offer here. I'm just going to be honest with you. Yeah, go ahead.
The best video to edit is David's on the weekend. You know why?
Tell me.
Because he doesn't take a goddamn breath and there's no silence to remove. So it's like, so I'm done with that video in like 30 seconds.
Yeah, that's amazing. That's beautiful. So again, you guys check out some of the memberships, right? Make sure you guys get over there. So I'm going to shut down the lives now. Appreciate everybody. Tomorrow, make sure, of course, you guys sign up for a membership, get involved. Coach, again, who to become a member. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com over on TikTok. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Now, listen, when you guys even join the free Discord, if you don't verify the account, it will kick you off after 12 hours. So if you don't follow the rules when you come over here, it will kick you out. How? Go to that website and it says join Discord for free. Otherwise, if you go on to pricing, click on any of the membership that's over there. Hockey, can you see it? Just go to the website. You get set up. You're the best, Coach. I'll join soon. No problem, David. Good to have you here. And you're green again. Good job over on YouTube. Appreciate it. Nice, nice. How do we find Nate? Nate is over. He's a VIP in the morning, typically around 4 a.m. And he also does a lot of the VIP Gold breakouts. So if you're a VIP member, you guys are trading with a lot of our other millionaires, self-made millionaires. I'll have you know that were made here at American Dream Trading. If you're a VIP member, you get access to all those people in there.
So talking specifically to Gen Z who's on campus.
I got
Hey,
it.
Coach.
Yes, go ahead, Nate.
I think I just made $1 million. Oh shit.
What? What?
Hold on. You mute all your mics. Keep them muted.
Uh-oh.
Keep the mics
I did.
muted.
I did IWM with 50 contracts.
Yes, sir.
I got in at 217.54,
Yes, sir.
and I just got out at 221.20.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Nice
Oh
job.
yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh shit.
Did you say $1 million for the day?
I think that's what it is, coach.
Yeah, he's close to it.
50 contracts?
50 contracts.
Oh my gosh. That's your first $1 million day here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Gang, didn't I tell you it would be soon? I told you guys that, right? The way he was trading.
Oh man. I got out too early.
Yeah, it's still going, partner.
Man, I got out too early.
Congrats.
Nate,
go feed the seagulls.
Shit.
Good job, Nate. Goodness.
Man,
Good
I'm
job,
sitting here
Nate.
sick about that. I got out too, Nate.
Way to go, Nate.
Good
Congrats,
job.
Nate.
Oh, we're green. We're
Awesome.
green.
Nice
What did you get?
job.
217? Is that what you said?
job,
You got
dude.
in at 217?
Yeah,
217.54.
Yeah, that's over a million.
Nate, do you need us to call a doctor for you?
Hold on, let me
Congrats, Nate.
yeah, nice job, Nate. Holy cow. How you feeling, buddy? You okay?
Nate?
He's gonna you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm
Okay.
fine, coach.
Nice job, partner.
Yeah, that was a comfortable trade. It wasn't hard at all.
Yeah, the fact that it wasn't like all sporadic and crazy. You had one pullback right here.
Yeah.
One the whole time at 948 to 950 was the only time that it showed weakness today, right?
That's it.
Nice job. So everybody hear that, by the way, and I need you to understand this real quick, okay?
Oh man.
Nate started with us 2 years ago with a $500 account, never traded a day in his life, just did $1 million single day trade. And for those of you that don't know, most people won't do that. And by the way, probably no one that's watching this has ever heard of that in their lives. And Nate is not the only one that's done that here, by the way. Right? That's $1 million single day trade. Now Nate is over what, $11 million in profits in 2 years being here, $500 account to start.
Oh man. That's $1 million.
Good job, Nate.
What's that, Nate?
I said I think that's $1 million is what it came up to. Man.
Woo!
job, man.
Holy
Jesus.
crap. All right,
2
gang.
million zero.
Way to
Let
go.
him have it.
Nate's
Wait
a
a minute,
great.
hold up, back
Go
up.
ahead.
He
Congrats,
made $1
Nate.
million
Congrats.
on this
That
trade.
gets the
$1 million
Rocky
trade,
music.
baby.
Boy, Nate.
Oh
Way to
man.
go, Nate.
Holy shit.
Nice
When
job.
he got out, it
Wonderful.
There
was
it
over
is.
400%.
Let's go. Let's get the claps going, baby.
You're something else.
Take control of that money train.
Congratulations.
Yeah, we're going to get the money train going for you, Nate, right now, partner. Great job. 1 year ago. Never traded before. First $1 million day for Nate the Great.
Doesn't that put him at 11,100,000?
Good job, everybody. That is just absolutely impressive, my friend. Nice work. Nice.
Yeah, I couldn't keep up with it, coach. It was
No, I understand.
going off the screen.
I understand, partner. Beautiful trade. Way to execute. Again, by the way, tell me this isn't the perfect lead-in. I keep telling you guys want to join some of our self-made millionaires? I just said it this morning. VIP starts at 4 a.m. You want to hear how Nate's doing what he's doing? VIP Gold. He has we do breakout rooms. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11 o'clock. He's in there a lot of the times. You guys have seen him over on YouTube. He's been a guest over on our YouTube a ton of times. He did it all.
I get up every morning.
Yeah, every
at
morning
1
he's
o'clock
in here.
in the morning,
Him
West
and
Coast,
Mark
just to
and
be in there
Palm
with Nate.
and Aaron and right, the
I-
whole gang. Ange and Dawn and everybody.
Exactly.
Christina.
Mark.
We're all here. Right? We're all here. What a great day. American Dream Trading, another $1 million trading day. How often do you guys get to hear that? Everybody that's watching for free right now. Everybody that's watching for free right now, how many people have you ever heard of in your life that have made $1 million in a single trading day? Come on, let me know. We've
And
had
that ain't no paper
multiple-
money.
Not paper money. We have had, by the way, we have had multiple people do this. This isn't a unicorn. This isn't a one and done situation. Is it amazing when it happens? Oh, hell yeah. But this isn't the first, and it sure the hell won't be the last. We've been here 2 years. We've had a lot of people now do $1 million in a day, which is crazy when you hear that. And I know it freaks people out. Like, there's no way. Nobody in the histories that we do it. Right? Come on. If you guys are watching, double tap your screens. These screens should be blowing up. I mean, it should be just going off the chain. Right? TikTok. You got anything to say? Twitch? YouTube? Anybody? You guys got anything to say? You guys just sitting here. Facebook, link. You guys should be good. You're just in awe, jaw dropped, right? Going crazy. You guys are all probably running to your neighbor's house, right? You're like, let's go get matching ADT tats. I don't recommend it, but if you want to, hey, that's your decision, right? You guys are probably driving up to church right now, trying to tell everybody about American Dream Trading. I understand. We're not going to hold you back from that. Go ahead. Right now, those of you that are listening to work, some of you guys are in a warehouse, production area, right? Some of you are in manufacturing. You're probably trying to tell everybody you can right now. You can't believe what you just heard over at American Dream Trading. I understand. You guys are running all over the place right now, telling everybody, look at all the likes. There's probably 8 million likes on TikTok right now. You probably shared this out to every person you've ever seen before. By the way, I'm just throwing stuff out. That's not happening at all. Everybody's just sitting here like...
Coach, I can't believe it, and we know Nate. You know.
I know, and everybody's just sitting here. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Alex says I did. Ran and told everyone. Nice job, Alex. Nice job.
I'm over here texting people too. You know what this
Yes.
guy did in my group today?
It's huge. It's huge. Nate, we're so happy for you. He's such a great person. He helps so many people. He's always giving back. He's always trying to help you guys. He holds you guys accountable. He's like me and you, right? We'll hammer you when you need it. We'll build you up when it's time. But we're always making sure you guys are on point. Nate has been such an amazing part of our community. I cannot thank him enough. And I'm so glad you're here. And listen, without him doing the extra work and the helping more and being involved and right working with he wouldn't have this $1 million day. I'm telling you right now, right? When we get good and we teach others, we get better. Am I right, Nate, David, Ange?
Yeah, I'm just a little emotional right now, Coach.
No, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. What a day. What an amazing day. Oh my gosh.
Nate is just one of those pure angelic souls that this world could use a lot more of.
Yeah, and my favorite thing is he's one of us. He's a normal person. He's just like us, right? He's just a regular, humble guy like the rest of us trying to make his way through the world. That's what I love about it, right? It's just amazing. And he's always here, right? He's always working with all of you. He's constantly forever building you guys up, working with you, calling stuff out. He's always in. Guys, when you make that kind of money, I mean, he's over 11 million now. You don't even need to, you're one of the richest people in the world. Right? You're literally one of the richest people in the world at that point. Like the fact that he still helps, that he's still here, he still gives up his time. It's incredible. It's an amazing journey. I'm happy to call him a friend of mine. I love being involved with everybody that's here. Nate, I know we all love you, man. Big air hug. Everybody, let's give him a hug. Let's go. Let's bring it in.
Thank you, Nate. Love you, Nate.
He's in there every morning, baby.
Love you, Nate.
Every morning.
Appreciate you.
For
Big
sure.
hugs.
Thank you, Nate.
Love
You
it.
earned another Crustable.
Thank you, Nate. Thank you.
Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you, Nate. I appreciate your L2 training too. It's awesome.
Learned a lot from you,
Keep up
Nate.
the good work.
Yeah. Make sure you thank your wife for paying the internet bill.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Now listen,
Go get her a new toaster.
You guys know he had a good day when he gets emotional because Nate's had some pretty decent trading days. So when he gets emotional, it's a good day. I love that. It'll break anybody when you have days like that. Nate, it looks like you got out at a great time. Look at IWM.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yep.
Nate, it's time for that Bentley, buddy.
Hey, Nate, I bet you had a lot of Billy.
Nice job.
No, not really. It was actually a comfortable trade.
It just kept
It
going.
was
Right? It just kept going. Now again, right? If Nate wasn't ready to sit in these trades for a long time and allow them to work and didn't take his money out right away and it kept going and it kept going, right? A lot of you guys, and remember, Nate, I just did this training last week. I said the difference between you guys becoming, right, this millionaire style trader and a regular trader is position size and allowing it to run forever. I just had, this was the mentorship, wasn't it? Yeah, it was a mentorship training I just did Thursday. Do you guys remember?
Yes, I do, Coach.
So the only difference will be is you'll go in much larger and stay in the same trade. That'd be the only difference. That's it. The only difference. And he did it today. Proof is in the pudding. So with that, I'm actually going to be signing out for the day because, Nate, I can't top that. I wouldn't even know what the hell to say to top that. Jeez, oh, Pete's, brother. Don't forget, we got a gold breakout room today. Remember, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Don't expect Nate to be in there. He just made $1 million. But, hey, if he is, great. If not, just leave him alone. Let him enjoy the day. Right? How often do you guys make $1 million in a single day? That's literally larger than most state lotteries. He's done it now 11 times. 11 times. That's 11 mil since being here at American Dream Trading. Just keeps getting better and better and better. Nate, love your face. I'm going to leave with that. I appreciate you and all of my moderators and everybody being here. What a way to end the day. My gosh. Nice job. Appreciate everybody. I'm out. Moderators, you have control of the floor. Nice job. See ya.